welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you all how to create or open ChatGPT account on your phone. Without any further ado, we're getting right into our video. Now, ChatGPT is something that is not available on app. ChatGPT is mostly used in the Google Chrome, so the first thing here we're going to do is open our Google Chrome. Here, after opening our Google Chrome, you'll be able to see a search bar. Here on the search bar, we'll be typing chat.openai.com. After searching chat.openai.com, you'll be welcomed in the page where you'll be said that you can either log into your ChatGPT account or sign up. If you have an existing account, then you can tap on login. Meanwhile, if you don't have an existing account, then you'll have to tap on sign up. Here we'll be tapping on sign up. After tapping on sign up, you'll be welcomed in the create your account page. Here the first option you'll get is typing your email address to continue, or you can also continue with Microsoft account or continue with your Google account, which are located right below the continue and already have an account option. For now, we will be continuing with our email address. After tapping your email address, tap on continue, that is located right below. After that, here you'll have to type your password. After you have typed your password, tap on continue. After that, here you'll get a small box where you'll have to verify you're a human. Tap on it. Now here you'll get a page where you'll have to type your first name, your last name, and your birthday. Select your birthday. After that, tap on continue. After that, here you'll have to type your phone number. After that, tap on send code. You'll have to enter the code that you have received on your phone number. After typing your code, here you'll have to wait for some time. And as you can see, you have successfully created or opened your ChatGPT account. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.